Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So in this video I am going to show lovebirds and they are eating millet grass, and this millet grass is organic millet grass. See, rather than bringing any other kind of grasses from outside, so you can grow your millet grass at your house only. So these are foxtail millets. So we are feeding foxtail millets to birds. So normally what I do, if they throw this foxtail millet in the ground, so I'll take this and I will keep them here so that the grass will be grown. So you can see this is organic foxtail millet grass. So I opened the cage door, but they are not coming out. So if they get tame, so they generally don't go. They don't try to go away. So these lovebirds like this millet grass very much. So you can see here foxtail millet is here, but this is foxtail millet grass. They are eating very. So these lovebirds like it very much. So this is organic food for them, without any chemicals. They are growing here. You can have a pot with mud, something like you can have something like these are completely a millet grass which we are growing at our house. So like how we eat wheat grass. So early morning they tell, no, like if you take wheat grass it is very healthy. So this is millet grass for lovebirds. So you can feed them. So when they eat this type of wheat grass, they are very healthy. So this is a pair of lovebirds. This is one pair of lovebirds, male and female bird. So these are male and female bird. Don't feed more grass because they waste it a lot. So mornings you can feed some grass, and again in the evening you can feed some grass. So if you keep more also, they don't eat, they spoil it actually. So friends, if you like this channel, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like our video, and forward this video to your friends and family members. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. And see, this lovebirds maintenance is very easy. So just hardly you need to spend 5 to 10 minutes in a day. And subscribe to watch more videos on lovebirds. Bye bye.